I'm going to be working on this wig that I made last week. I'm going to be doing a couple of tweaks, and I thought, you know what? Let me just record myself doing it, dual chatting or whatever. So let's get into that. Okay, so as you can see, I started doing a little bit of prep work. So I just kind of sectioned out the wig so I can start putting tracks in the bottom going up. And so also what I did was I had a lot of leftover hair from the last time that I did this, and I even had like a good amount of like 26 and I believe also 24-inch left. And I still have like the full entire pack of the 22-inch left. Just in case this video actually ends up going up for my actual wig making one, I had got 4 different lengths and then a 10-inch frontal. I know, so short. That's another reason why I wanted to put in more hair, because like, just to like blend the 10-inch with these like long lefts, you know? I mean, I would have gotten a longer frontal if they had. They didn't. I was actually supposed to get 12, didn't have 12 inches, so I ended up having to get 10, which was really sad. But basically, got 4 bundles. I believe it was 226 inches, 124, and then 122. Or maybe it was like 126, 224, and then 122. Some variation like that. So what I did just now, because I've been kind of like doubling up the wefts when I like sew it in, so I thought, you know what, since a lot of the longer inch pieces that I have are already kind of in pieces, I thought, why don't I just sew it together like this now? Hopefully that will make my life easier when I'm sewing it in. So I think I have like 3 more of these, 3 or 4 more over there. They're all slightly different lengths. So I'm going to start off with my smallest one that I have, and then just literally sewing it in to hopefully make this thicker, and also to hopefully make the frontal blend in more. I feel like, at least I'm hoping I won't have to like really chop off some of the length. I attempted to like cut in a little layers in it, at least like around like the face, but it's just, they're so long compared to like the 10 inches. If this video comes out before my other one, I got this hair from Beauty Forever. I think I'll probably like put a link below of like the listing. I was kind of rushing a little the last time that I did this. So that's why I actually have to like come back and make these changes. I feel a little dumb because I should have took out the elastic that I sewed in before I started doing this, because I need to fix that anyway. And honestly, it's kind of getting in the way. I will definitely say it is not easy to talk and do this. Like, because like when you're doing something, especially something that you're not super experienced in, like you're focusing. Like eyes are either here, trying to make sure that I actually do this right. Spent a lot of money on this hair, so I don't want it to come out bad. So it's really hard. to like talk when you're doing this. And you know what? If anyone, for anybody out there that can like legit talk while they're making their wigs, I commend you. Cause not easy at all. I'm getting off topic. Let me tell y'all, it was an effort to get me to do this today. Like, I knew I definitely wanted to get this done today during the week. I was like, you have to do this. You know you've been wanting to do this. I do not care how you're feeling. Like, you have to get this done. And like, this morning was one of those mornings. It just did not feel like getting out of bed. It was so bad. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. So, not sure if I'm gonna keep that clip in the video, but I somehow managed to break my mannequin head. Well, not necessarily break my mannequin head, but break, you know, the tripod thing that it was on. So yeah, that was fun. So basically, off camera, I have just been like holding like the wig head between my legs to try and just sew the rest of the wefts in. But I will say, I literally sewed pretty much everything into the wig now, which it's so full now. Hold up. Like, I'm so, like, it looks so much better. I mean, I'm sure you can't tell now, but in person, like, I really do feel like it looks a lot better, and that, like, especially once I straighten the frontal, it's gonna look way better than it did before with like so little hair that's in there. Like, I feel like now like it kind of just looks like I was trying to do bangs or something, which I'm not that mad at. So I mean, I don't think it's that bad. And also what I did was I fixed the elastic band that I was talking about before. So I fixed that, made it smaller, re-sewed it in. I added 2 more clips on like each side of the elastic band, just to make it a lot more secure. So that, like, when I'm doing pole tomorrow, I don't have to worry about it, you know, falling off, or, you know, can't do too aggressive of a hair whip. So, excited about that. But, so now, I guess I'm kind of gonna take you through how I'm gonna install this. I never thought I'd be on YouTube with, like, hair looking like it's not there with my, like, ratchet cornrows, because that, you know what, that's a whole other video. We're not even gonna talk about it right now. Don't pay attention to it. Just don't look at it. It's fine. This is about wigs. This is not about braids. This is about wigs. So I don't want to hear it. Anyway, so I am gonna be putting my wig cap on. I will, oh my god. See, the one thing, actually, let me like stretch it out, because like the one thing I will say about these wig caps, obviously I got these off of Amazon. They're super tight, like way tighter than other ones that I've gotten off Amazon, because like obviously this is not the first time I've gotten wig caps off of Amazon, but these were like super tight. It's really crazy. So maybe if I just like stretch it out it might help. Because when I got these, I was thinking, ooh, let me like try like the whole thing of like putting it over your eyes and whatever. And yeah, no, it was not getting that far down my face. Like, I have a very big forehead, so it was not working. To say the least, it was not working. So, I mean, I don't think it's gonna, just from like stretching it, is gonna get it that far down my face, but hopefully it gets like comfortably down my eyebrows. We'll see. But I guess to explain, I'm gonna put the wig cap on. I mean, I'm probably gonna like fast forward through the whole bald cap method thing, because again, please do not follow me. I don't do this well. Like, I really don't. So I'm gonna do bald cap method. I'm gonna do it with the Got To Be. Honestly, let me specify, Got To Be spray. Oh wow. This is like running out more than I thought it was. But I'm gonna do that with the spray. And then I'm gonna do 3 layers of the Esha glue, the one in the blue bottle. It's supposed to be water resistant and also like collagen vitamin infused. Okay, so I have this one in the blue bottle, and I also have the one in the purple bottle, which also says that it's water resistant, but to be quite honest, I personally feel like the blue one does a way better job at like staying on. Like, I feel like this one, it just didn't, I don't know. It's so weird because like they're both supposed to be water resistant. It's kind of like you would think that this is supposed to be water resistant and this one's like waterproof. You know what I mean? That's kind of what it feels like, at least to me, when I had used both of these. I think I want to try this again one time, like another time down the road, just to see what happens. But I think, especially for me, since I do, you know, activities, this works a lot better. And just also like also just like showering, like even if you're wearing like a shower cap, just because I'm someone that likes to take hot showers. I mean, obviously since it's getting hotter now, it's not that hot, but if you think about it, kind of like the steam from hot showers, I feel like has an effect on the glue that you use with your wigs. Or at the very least, I definitely noticed that it had an effect when I was using the one in the purple bottle. Cause like after I showered, I was like, wait a minute, why is this like kind of lifting? And like I didn't have that happen with this one. So I definitely like this one a lot better. I feel like, is this my, oh, this is my new one. Oh, I think the other one is like at my desk, because that's another thing about these. Like, look at the, like, this is so small. Like, why? Like, why are these so small? Like, they are like fairly cheap, but like even if they did a bigger bottle, it would still be probably cheaper than like a lot of other wig glues out there. So I don't understand why it comes in such a small bottle. I think if you were to go on the actual like official Esha website and not Amazon, you can find a bigger bottle, but I think I definitely did look, but I feel like it really wasn't that big. compared to like other sizes that you can get at other brands. So I don't know. Hey guys, just showing you the final install. I mean, try and get close. It's not perfect. By no means. Definitely not perfect, but at least from far away, I think it's not that bad. So I had to at least show you this. I know, don't have any makeup on, so not making it look any better, but let's see. Bring both to the front. Ended up doing a middle part. I think just because of how thick this frontal was and how short it was, doing the side part just wasn't working. So ended up doing a middle part and it looks pretty good. I really like it. So yeah. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really think that this video is probably going to be posted before me actually posting me first making the wig. So you know what? Something for you to look forward to after this. Maybe I could post it in the same day. We'll see. I'm gonna try and get this posted today on Sunday, and maybe the next one could be on Monday. We'll see. But anyway, until next time, I guess. But well, before that, you know, subscribe, like, share, all that. But anyway, see ya.